Want to pass your driving test? Memorize these 40 essential road signs, and I guarantee you success. Let's get started. Guess this traffic sign. A. No waiting. B. No stopping. Right. It is the no stopping sign. Identify this road sign. A. Maximum speed 30 miles per hour. B. Minimum speed limit of 30 miles per hour. Excellently. It is the maximum speed 30 miles per hour sign. What is this traffic sign? A. Parking place. B. Controlled parking zone. Correct. That is the parking place sign. Guess this road sign. A. Pedestrians ahead. B. Children going to school. Good observation. It is the children going to school sign. Name this road sign. A. No right turn. B. No left turn. Exactly. It is the no right turn sign. Which traffic sign is this? A. No stopping. B. No waiting. Perfect. It is the no waiting sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. No motor vehicles except motorcycles. B. Motor vehicles prohibited. Well spotted. It is the motor vehicles prohibited sign. Guess this traffic sign. A. No entry. B. National speed limit applies. Right. It is the no entry sign. Which road sign is this? A. Mini roundabout. B. Roundabout. Good catch. It is the roundabout sign. What is this road sign? A. No left turn. B. No right turn. Exactly. It is the no left turn sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. Low-flying helicopters. B. Low-flying aircraft. Perfect. It is the low-flying helicopter sign. Guess this traffic sign. A. Width restriction. B. Height restriction. Excellently. That is the width restriction sign. Identify this road sign. A. Steep descent. B. Steep ascent. Correct. It is the steep ascent sign. What is this traffic sign? A. Maximum speed 20 miles per hour. B. Entrance to a 20 mile per hour zone. Right. It is the maximum speed 20 miles per hour sign. Guess this road sign. A. Vehicles may park partly on verge. B. Soft verges. Good observation. It is the soft verges sign. Name this traffic sign. A. Loose chippings. B. Falling or fallen rocks. Exactly. It is the loose chippings sign. What is this road sign? A. Level crossing with no gates. B. Level crossing with gate ahead. Exactly. It is the level crossing with gate ahead sign. Identify this road sign. A. End of 30 miles per hour. B. Minimum speed limit 30 miles per hour. Perfect. It is the minimum speed limit 30 miles per hour sign. Guess this traffic sign. A. No overtaking. B. Traffic queues likely ahead. Good catch. It is the no overtaking sign. Which road sign is this? A. Accompanied horses. B. Accompanied horses prohibited. Excellently. It is the accompanied horses sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. Keep left. B. One-way traffic. Correct. It is the one-way traffic sign. Guess this road sign. A. Towed caravans prohibited. B. Risk of grounding ahead. Perfect. It is the towed caravans prohibited sign. What is this traffic sign? A. Horse-drawn vehicles. B. Horse-drawn vehicles prohibited. Well spotted. It is the horse-drawn vehicles prohibited sign. Identify this road sign. A. Agricultural vehicles. B. Slow-moving vehicles. Exactly. It is the agricultural vehicle sign. Guess this road sign. A. Roundabout. B. Mini roundabout. Right. It is the mini roundabout sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. Height restriction. B. Low arch bridge ahead. Good observation. It is the height restriction sign. Which traffic sign is this? A. Buses and coaches prohibited. B. Buses prohibited. Correct. It is the buses and coaches prohibited sign. Name this road sign. A. T-junction. B. Staggered junction. Excellently. It is the staggered junction sign. Guess this traffic sign. A. Hump bridge. B. Tunnel. Perfect. It is the tunnel sign. Identify this road sign. A. Emergence telephone. B. Telephone at level crossing. Good catch. It is the emergence telephone sign. What is this road sign? A. Wigwag signal. B. Light signals at level crossing. Exactly. It is the light signals at level crossing sign. Guess this traffic sign. A. National speed limit applies. B. Maximum speed 20 miles per hour. Right. It is the national speed limit applies sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. Keep left. B. Vehicular traffic must turn left. Well spotted. It is the vehicular traffic must turn left sign. Which road sign is this? A. Entrance to a 20 mile per hour zone. B. End of 20 miles per hour zone. Excellently. It is the entrance to a 20 mile per hour zone sign. Guess this road sign? A. Series of bends ahead. B. Double bend first to the left. Perfect. It is the series of bends ahead sign. Identify this road sign. A. Riverbank or quayside. B. Soft verges. Good observation. It is the riverbank or quayside sign. What is this traffic sign? A. Overhead electrical wires. B. An electrified third rail ahead. Exactly. It is the an electrified third rail ahead sign. Guess this road sign. A. Bend to left. B. Bend to right. Good catch. It is the bend to left sign. Identify this road sign. A. Staggered junction. B. Junction on a bend. Right. It is the junction on a bend sign. What is this road sign? A. Steep descent. B. Steep ascent. Excellently. It is the steep descent sign. That brings us to the end of today's video. If you want more road sign tips, guides, and study materials, subscribe now so that you are notified whenever a new video drops. Tap on the videos on your screen to keep learning. Keep practicing, and passing is yours.